Hey everyone, I'm Alex Griffin. I'm the videographer at Oneida Air Systems, and today we are here at Haines Haines Inc. with the owner, Jeff Haines. Jeff, how are you, my friend?
Good, how are you?
I'm wonderful, my friend. So tell us about your history as a woodworker.
Oh my gosh, wow, that goes back a ways. I started getting interested in woodworking in middle school, and especially more so in high school. Had a great shop teacher, and so I've been a serious woodworker since I was a teenager.
So we're in your showroom here. Why don't you tell us about what you do, like what your business is?
Oh, sure.
Everything about your business and what you do.
Yeah, so what makes this a little different is that typically a shop is either just a cabinet shop or someone is just a remodeling contractor. Years and years ago, I found the advantage for the customer to bring all that together. And so with one phone call to us, we can design your kitchen, build your cabinets, and come and remodel your house. So the whole process is seamless. There's no waiting for subcontractors. There's no blaming others when things don't fit right because we built them. I feel like we have a little bit of a niche where we bring everything under one roof to design, build cabinetry, and remodel the home to get the job done.
So tell us about your shop itself.
So our shop now is just under 7,500 square feet. But that includes the showroom area, it includes a little office area, it includes 2 warehouse areas, and then heated cabinet shop. In our shop, we have a couple of table saws. We have an 8-foot sliding table saw for cutting sheet goods. We have a regular cabinet saw that we use to cut our hardwoods on, surface planer, joiner, wide belt sander, several shapers that we use for making our cabinet doors. And then recently we just added a full-size CNC.
Really?
Yeah, so that's going to change the type of business we can take on and how we go about doing some of the things we currently do.
So tell us about your dust collection history before Oneida. Tell us what happened before you started with your Oneida collector.
Before Oneida, I had nothing.
Really?
So when I started my shop in the mid-1990s, I had a surface planer that just blew the chips onto the floor. I actually was able to look up and called Oneida Air Systems in 1997.
Okay.
And bought one of their 1.5 Cyclone collectors and used that system for years and years.
Wow. So that was really the big aha moment for you.
Absolutely, that was a game changer with keeping the shop cleaner. I used that small 1.5 system for several years, but I began to outgrow that.
Okay.
And so I will admit, I went to some other brands and used those for several years, but honestly, there were the bag collectors, and they're just not as clean and efficient as the Cyclone from Oneida. So I had dust residue on my walls and in the air. As the shop grew, I needed to improve that dust collection. So I went to Oneida and ended up purchasing 2 7.5 horse direct drive units for my shop.
Two direct drive units?
Yes. After speaking with the sales rep at Oneida, I realized that one system probably wasn't large enough to handle our shop, and having 2 separate units allows me to separate my cleaner wood chips from my finer dust so that I can resell those wood chips.
Why did you choose an Oneida product?
So, a couple things there. The 1.5 collector I bought in 1997 was a great product. And of course, I never forgot that. So when I wanted to upgrade to the new systems, Oneida was first on my list. The other thing is, the sales rep is a local person that I knew outside of Oneida Air System.
Oh, really?
So that gave me a personal comfort level and trust. And I also like the Made in USA and buying from a company that's based in Syracuse, New York, 20 minutes from my shop. It seemed like a very comfortable direction to go.
Well, what do you say we go take a look at your systems?
Yeah,
Check them out.
we can head out to the shop and take a look.
All right, let's go, everyone. Wow. So this is it.
Yeah, this is one of our 7.5 horse direct drives. So this picks up our wide belt sander, this picks up our sliding table saw, and now 2 CNCs. One of the things I love about this system is I've got an on-off switch right here, but for this Cyclone, we also have 3 remote switches around the shop.
3 remote switches.
It's great. It saves a lot of steps. We can turn this on and off near the machine that we're using it on.
Awesome. So what biggest obstacle have these systems allowed you to overcome in your years of woodworking?
Right, so I think that the biggest advantage is the cartridge system is easy to clean and maintain. This is doing a better job at keeping the shop clean than the old bag systems I had. And of course the dust sentry is helping know when to empty my barrels.
Really, really good, my friend. So one last question for you, and I think it's really good to just hit it home because we're not just, trying to offer systems out there, but we're offering something that is completely free, and that's knowledge. That's
Absolutely.
awareness. So if you could just tell our viewers out there, how important really is dust collection in general?
Oh, absolutely. So it has made our shop cleaner. We're not getting the dust floating in the air that we used to have. We're with the 2 barrel system, I'm shutting down less often to change barrels. That keeps us producing more. So dust collection just makes you more efficient, more environmentally safe for the air you're breathing in your shop, and just has added great efficiencies to what we do.
Jeff, thank you very much for your time, my friend. Thank you so much for showing us around your shop and telling us about your American-made products from Oneida Air Systems, my friend. I'm glad you're having great success.
Thank you very much.
Hey, everyone at home, be sure to check out Haines and Haines Inc. We're going to be leaving links in the description below. And be sure to check out all our products here at Oneida Air Systems, the industry leader in dust collection, proudly manufacturing in the USA since 1993. For more information, visit oneida-air.com.